Rytec high-performance doors have been the standard in leading automotive dealerships for over 2 decades. More and more, the Rytec brand is becoming specified and requested by name throughout North America. It's not surprising that they have become synonymous with our brand promise: quality, performance, reliability.
Nothing makes my job easier than to have a customer just wowed first and foremost when they arrive. Everything seems to go a little bit easier going forward just by being greeted by that door.
Our guests are arriving, they walk into the office or they go into the shop. The greeting of the high-speed doors has been so impressive, and it just really sets the tone for our entire experience that we have with the customer.
The techs love it, my advisors love it, and the customers love it. I mean, when you pull up to that door and boom, that thing is up instantaneously, everybody's jaw drops. I mean, it's just a great addition to our facility.
When it's raining, when it's cold in the winter, I mean, it's really helping the customer be more comfortable in the lane as far as temperature-wise. Not to mention, we save on energy as well, but it's really about the customer, that it gives them a much better experience.
Yeah, there's a significant improvement in energy reduction expenditures because of the fact that the door is open and closed so rapidly. We're not constantly having to fight against a drop in temperature where the heating system has to kick in and bring the workshop back up to operating temperature.
Energy efficiency is crucially important to any LEED certification, especially LEED Gold, and Rytec uses less energy and allows us to use less energy to heat the space. So at the end of the day and the end of the month, it's really been a nice savings for us in our utility bills.
The Rytec high-performance doors are great in a full temperature controlled shop. They keep an even temperature throughout the day.
The aesthetics of the high-speed doors are absolutely top-notch.
Rytec were chosen because of the efficiency in terms of cost of maintenance and also productivity of the workshop.
And it helps position us in a more of a progressive, technologically forward type of a position in our customers' minds.
I can't think of a better first impression than pulling up to a store and getting that feeling of a modern location and to just roll up to the door and have it instantly open.
The door pulls up, the customer slides in, the door closes quickly behind them. It's just such a great, easy feeling that you never would have thought that aspect of a door would make such a difference on the feel of customer service. But it really has, and I'm so happy that we installed the doors.
For the service center bay, showroom, new car delivery, and all areas of a dealership, high-performance doors have what it takes and what your customers expect. Full vision models to provide daylight plus security or hurricane zone wind resistance, roll-up fabric types for separation, and even low-cycle, low-speed models, each designed for different areas and unique needs within your facility. Contact Rytec today to learn more or visit our website, rytecdoors.com.